Yes, though, Americana World Community Center. I hope you know about it. I hope you've supported them before, or maybe been to some of the wonderful things that they do, or you know about the services that they provide to our community. They are calling for your help right now. My guests that are joining me right now, Emily Dyer is here, the Executive Director, Americana World Community Center, and Karen Moya is here, Associate Director. I have had the chance to join you all in some of your celebrations and some of the wonderful things that you do, but I had a little panic, I guess it was last week, when I heard you call that you need how much money by when? Yeah, I did the exact same thing. I went, how much money by when?
We are raising $520,000 by June 30th to make our fiscal year this year.
That's a lot of money. I mean, we generally ask the public to support in some kind of way because you do an awful lot of work, but it's generally not that much.
Very true. We're as surprised as the rest of the community to be in this position. The federal policies that are currently being considered at a higher level are having a deep impact on the ground for us, and I think for other nonprofits in the sector, and we are experiencing a downstream effect of all of that.
So it's kind of put you at a shortfall.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, well, let's talk about what Americana does first, if you don't know. I absolutely love the celebrations that you have in the summertime, where we get to see and learn about some of the other cultures, and we get to see the dances and eat some of the foods and learn about some of our neighbors. Talk about the work that you do and why it's so important.
Americana provides education and social support for our whole community, but particularly for the neighbors that we see in South Louisville, who represent a diverse group of people from all over the world. Americana has supported 5,000 people annually from over 100 different countries with our education programs, such as after school and summer programming for youth, a family education program that provides early learning alongside our JCPS partners, who operate the largest English language learning program out of the building that we provide. 1,500 people are currently receiving workforce readiness skilling through those programs. We house an ecosystem of other nonprofits, not just JCPS, but family health centers, Adelante Hispanic Achievers, and others who use our space to provide programming to their communities.
You all have been around for quite some time. How long now?
About 30 years.
Yeah.
We were established in 1993, and we've been doing the work ever since then.
And you've grown and changed and added more to what you do every year, and more people get involved. Okay, so this fundraising goal, how does the community help?
Well, if you go online and find us on Facebook or Instagram, or you go to our website at americanacc.org, you'll see that we're running an SOS campaign, and we're asking for people to be part of our 50 from 5 challenge, to donate $50 and challenge 4 or 5 of your friends to donate to our cause as well.
So that's not really a lot. So $50, if you have it, for some it might be a lot, but if you have it, $50, and then you ask 5 other people. So you call it what now, 50 of 5?
Yep, 50 from 5.
50 from 5. So if you have $50, you give $50, and then you ask 5 other people to do the same.
Yes.
I don't want to say this, but what could you even imagine if you weren't here?
I know that our community would feel the impact of not having the resources and support that Americana provides. There are people who come every single day to Americana to have their questions answered, to join in our community and be part of the sense of belonging that we create. And I think that that would be deeply felt by the community, and that's clear to me based on the support that we've received so far. And so many people have reached out and been part of this and want to help us keep it going, and we're so grateful for that.
And you all ask for volunteers and support all throughout the year. This is not the first time you've asked people to step up and become part of Americana.
Absolutely, yeah. We always have events, and you know, there's always something to be done on our campus that we need support with. So we're leaning into that even now more than ever, and leaning on the community support of us.
The dinner that we usually have every year, and I should be able to say exactly what that dinner is as often as I have been there. What is the dinner? What's the dinner that we have every year?
The Americana Annual Dinner.
That's so easy. The Americana Annual Dinner. It's amazing just to see all the people that come out and support, and the families that are there, and the speaker even that we had last year was just brilliant to listen to her speak. If you wanted people to know the top 3 most important things about Americana for both of you, you would say what?
I would say that Americana's resources and the community that it's built has provided safety and security for all of the residents of Louisville, and we need that in our city, and we need a place where people develop a sense of belonging and are able to integrate into our city.
And you would say?
I would agree and basically say the same thing. You know, we've been doing this work and helping families establish their roots in this new city. Louisville is a welcoming city, so sometimes people just need a little bit of help, and we are there to guide them through navigating a completely different system than what they're used to, right? And more than that, I think we just provide a space of belonging for the community to feel like they have a safe space to be authentic and genuine.
Okay, one more time before we run out of time. Tell folks one more time how they can support and how easy it is.
They can go online to our website, americanacc.org. Press the first button you see. It's the Donate Now button to get more information about how you can share our campaign. It's right at the bottom.
All right, right at the bottom. They're asking you, give $50, tell 5 other people. You can give more than that, though. Don't feel like you only have to give $50. You can definitely give more than that. We're going to have you back on when it gets closer to that time where where that time comes when you really need that to see how you're doing. And we'll see how it goes. Let us know. Keep in touch with us.
Thank you.
All right. We appreciate you. And I'm sure I'll be talking to you.